So I've been seeing some posts about teacher salaries and how teachers are getting paid $125,000 a year, and that's better than some lawyers and blah blah blah, and that's not true. And I realized a lot of people probably don't know this, but you can look up the salaries of the public school teachers. Our pay is public information. It's not a secret. It's not something that anybody is hiding. In fact, each school district has their own what we call a salary schedule, or a way that teachers get compensated. I'll show you a couple here, and this is what they look like. Now, when you're looking up a salary schedule, what you want to do is you want to go to a specific school district and you want to look at that salary schedule. It might be a handbook, it might be a negotiated agreement. But what you're going to see on a lot of these is you're going to see kind of a cascading sort of column happening here. And what this is this is the years of service on the left-hand side, how many years that teacher has been contracted as a full-time classroom teacher. Now, not all districts honor all years of service, but that's what this is on this side. And then on the top, you're going to see levels of education. So bachelor's plus 9 hours. This one goes all the way over to master's plus 45 credit hours, which would be the same as either a doctorate or a second master's. Here's another one from another school district. It's a little bit more complicated because this one's a larger school district. And the same thing though, you're going to see the steps, what they call steps. And then you're going to see as the years go on, they're expected as a teacher to increase your own education. If you don't, you stall out. If you go past year 16 in this school district and you do not increase your education in a formal way, we're talking college credits, then you stall out there. And we get a cost of living raise, not every year, and not all districts and not all states, but it's about $1,000 a year. But that's a new negotiated agreement every single. This one is a little bit more complicated because in this school district, they have something that they help to support with health insurance. Some school districts pay for 100% of their employees' health insurance. Some districts don't, but they might offer a stipend depending on your health insurance provider. But the same exact thing, total number of years of service, and then education. So when you're looking at teachers and you're seeing these memes about teachers making $125,000 a year, I want you to maybe do a little bit of homework and to see if this is true, because this is not the case for 99% of districts. I could only find a handful of districts in New York and California who actually made anywhere near that when they're at the max amount of experience and education. These districts, the max amount of money that these districts could make, $80,000 for one of the districts, $91,000 for another district, and $90,000 for the third district. And that is if they have a master's plus 45 credit hours and they have at least 17 to 20 years of service. So that is the step at the very end of somebody's career or late in their career, nowhere near where teachers are starting out or in the middle. Most of these, they start their salaries out at $47,000 a year, one's $50,000 a year, and one's $42,000 a year. So teachers with their bachelor's, that's what they're going to be earning their first year as a teacher.